Yo, yo, yo. What's up, everybody? This is your man Josh back here at JJ's Motorsports YouTube channel, or you can find me on Instagram. We're starting a new Instagram called Local Outlaws. Local Outlaws, it's not what you think. It's not a car gang or biker gang or anything like that. It's just, local guys trying to challenge the status quo of society. How many of you guys are tired of living by society's social norms and, society telling you, oh, you got to do it this way, you got to do it that way. And, my granny always told me there's more than one way to skin a cat. So that means there's more than one way to do something. And you ain't got to be, copying the same dude that's successful doing something, the way that he did it. So, make your own success, do the things that you want to do it how you want to do it. And that's the true, greatness of the car community is you can have a whole car show full of the same cars, and not all of them got to look exactly the same. So anyway, but we're going to get into it. I'll speak more on Local Outlaws a little bit later. But what I wanted to do, something I've been wanting to do for a long, long time, work on my car, on my Z. Excuse me, just had dinner. I got a 1984 Nissan 300ZX, NA, non-turbo, still got the T-tops on it. Ignore my daughter's bubbles. She likes bubbles. So if you get any dads out there and your kids like bubbles, these bubble machines from Target, fire. That's a shameless plug right there. Target, they're not paying me, but, I spend a lot of money at Target anyway. But yeah, I wanted to, take care of this baby. And we're doing something in the back over here where there's a wing that I've been wanting to get for a very, 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 very long time. I love the look and designs of these wings. When I first got the car, I had a turbo hatch, a trunk lid for it that had a factory turbo wing on it. I liked it, but I didn't really like it. I didn't love it. I wanted to make something of my own, and I never did get around to it. Fast forward 6 years later, company now makes exactly what I wanted. I should have did it 6 years ago, and then I'd be rich. But hey, it is what it is. I'm here on YouTube trying to do the YouTube hustle. So we're gonna get into that. Let me get this camera set up. We can do this unboxing. Shout out to my primary sponsor. Everybody go check out Prosperous Solutions. Prosperous Solutions for all your business needs. This is a legit plug because they sponsor me. They pay me. They tell me, hey, you know what? You promote my business and I'll help you with your car parts and all the stuff that you need to do. So I'm going to do it. So shout out to the team over at Prosperous Payments, any business solutions that you need from credit card processing and machines, from doing your taxes, your business taxes, because everybody trying to save a little bit of money. They'll take care of it. So hit them up. QR code on the window, but just look them up on Instagram, Prosperous Solutions. So if you're trying to save some money, hit them folks up. All right, so we're gonna do the unboxing of this new product I got going on. So let's see. But I already kind of peeped at it because I couldn't wait. I was excited. But let's take this bad boy out, and it's real light and it's real long. Ooh, oh shit. Throw the box off to the side because we don't care about it. Let's see here. Got my shank. Let's cut these things open. Let's see. All right. Let's see here what we got going on. All right, so just cutting up the bubble wrap, and I'll get this one out of here. All right, so we got that cut up, got this cut up. Yeah, let me just go ahead and put this phone down because I ain't got my camera set up right now. I got a camera and everything set up for it, but I literally just got home from work, and I've been wanting to make this video for a couple days now, and I got tired of waiting until everything was right. So just making a video. But let me open this up real quick, and I'll show you what it looks like as soon as I take it out of the plastic. So all right, so I got it temporary mounted up. I don't have any painter's tape, but anyway, so that's what we got. Big reveal. Got my mom helping me out hold it, but Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that carbon fiber.
It's beautiful.
Got a carbon fiber duckbill wing. There's a company on the internet. I don't remember the name of it right this second, but it makes a pretty sick carbon fiber wing. So I gotta get it mounted. So I'm gonna find the best position for it, because I also have excuse me, Mom. There's badges that I initially wanted to keep, especially that one because it said, it's a Dotson badge, but I think I'm just gonna turn them into keychains or something. But we'll get those removed, and then it's gonna sit flush like this, and it's gonna look sexy. It's gonna look good. So
maybe get them remounted down here.
But that's gonna be my next project. So I'll fill you guys in on the next video what it's gonna look like, or when it's installed.